Hi and welcome back. Today we're going to look at a new room called Introductory Networking here in TryHackMe. It's the learning path, Web Fundamentals. Okay, so I already told you that some of my rooms have some sort of completion done already. That is because that in the past, many months ago or many moons ago, I did some things in those rooms, and some of them I completed, others I only halfly did something about in. So the one called Introductory Networking, which is the second room here, is a room that kinda only is about some theory and you need to read some things. So just to open up the very first introduction tab, you will read the text, and basically when you've done that you click the green button and you will get a completion for the first task. The second task is about the OSI model and the basic overview, what the 7 layers application presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical is all about. All this is theory. It is not that difficult or dry or anything. However, it might be a bit not that fun compared to real ethical hacking that we're also going to do here on TryHackMe. Okay, so I cannot express the importance that you actually do read these texts and understand the different layers, because it will give you a really good perspective to how traffic flow back and forth computers, and will give you an easier grasp or easier to grasp the idea of actually hacking a computer on the network. When you've done these rooms and you come to the very last task called task number 9, further reading, I suggest that you do click the link and do some self-study guide by Steve McCrory. It's not something that you might can do really fast. It is probably pretty large, so I suggest that you do that on a sidetrack. The next video we're gonna cover here in this video tutorial is the third room on the Web Fundamentals learning path, which is called Web Fundamentals. I already completed this one. However, I'm going to walk you through everything nonetheless. So I hope you like this video, even though that I didn't really do anything other than to explain you that this room, Introductory Networking, is basically just a theory read you just need to do before you take the third room. So if you want to do it, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, click the bell for future notifications, and like my video. Okay, see you again soon. Bye.